Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083631 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a account on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter. Run the third command. Once done, run the last command. Now once this is done, restart your PC. Restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once paused, click on resume updates and let the update complete and check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make our active on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now once done, find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness, again make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, make a right click, click on restart. Once this is done, go back to Windows. If you see retry option, hit retry and then try to update. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, update your Windows 11. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083631. Click on search. Now check for, let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, then click on WinVer run command. In my case the version is 25H2. Check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system over here, scroll down, go to about option and then check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download. Now click on KB5083631 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually and then restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to close all third-party application. Make sure only the update is running, rest close everything. Uninstall any third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit, anti-cheat, Riot, Vanguard, etc. You can uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. If you have any third-party antivirus program like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable your antivirus program before you update Windows 11. Once you're done updating Windows 11, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option over here, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, log into your computer, restart and then log in and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use Media Creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on Download now. And then once the download is complete, you can run this exe file and then click on Accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on Next. Select ISO file over here and then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. Click on Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on Finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. Once closed, go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Setup file. Click on Yes to allow. Click on Next. Click on Accept. Over here you can see Ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit Install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.